There we are. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. What a dummy. Okay, lights on, okay. I did a little shine on the linkage, and my argument was it was nickel and it was corroded, and I knew it would come back, and boy did it. It is just, I mean, this photo, this image may not do it justice, but it shines like chrome, it really does. The other side's just as nice. Everything's okay back here. I did not put a counterweight in. I may end up doing that if I continue with this reverse unit. Neutral reverse, neutral reverse, 60 miles an hour. The familiar chuffing, right? I'll get the fire going, the smoke probably this afternoon. Can't help it. It's got to have smoke, you know. And it's a good engine. And I might put a special tender on it. I don't know yet. I think I have a Chicago Northwest. I don't know if that's what comes on it. Seems responsive. I shimmed the armature, or cleaned the armature, cleaned the brushes, replaced the springs. I think the engine is quite responsive. Seems to rev up pretty good. It's coming down, 1.2. So it's breaking in, you might say, and pulling less amps. It peaks at 2.5 for a moment, but it pulls back down to 1.2. Oh wait, 1.7. I was reading the meter wrong. It's 1.7 ohms. Well, it's a little higher than I'd like, but it's okay for, you know what, the old AC motors that we have. I think it's gonna be fine. I got lunch call coming up. I'm heading out. I'm gonna have lunch, and then I'll probably tackle that smoke. Oh God, it's pretty grody too. I may have to buff that up. We'll see. Okay, this is it. Quickie update. Quartering. Had it wrong. Okay. Changed it, adjusted it, put it together. Had it wrong. Okay. Old eyes. It's the thing. Overclocked it, brought it back one notch. Boom. Perfect. And the brass bushings are in this chassis. This is a rebuilt chassis as it is. K5 with bushings. Runs really smooth. Lubricated, cleaned. Really woke it up. And I'm pretty happy. This is going to be a good engine. I'm going to do some more stuff to it. I can't just not, you know, okay, it's a 287. Who cares? No, it's a good, clean body, and I'm going to do what I do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what I do. And if anybody doesn't want it, then fine. We'll see. Okay, I think it'll be worth someone wanting it. Not a lot of money, but something, you know? Okay, that's it for now. Later.